Proton VPN versus IPVanish. The battle for the best VPN is on. Proton VPN claims to be the best overall, while IPVanish stakes its claim as the best for multi-device households. But which one really stands out? Stick with me to the end, because I'll be revealing the winner, and it might not be what you expect. Let's dive in. First up, Proton VPN is known for its strong privacy-focused features. They're all about keeping your data safe, with a strict no-logs policy and a strong focus on transparency. It's built by the same people behind Proton Mail, a well-respected name in privacy. But here's the thing, while Proton VPN excels in security, its speed can sometimes be inconsistent, especially on its free plan, which I'm sure some people are using. The paid plan is better, but it's not always as fast as competitors like IPVanish. Next thing, IPVanish. Now, IPVanish is widely regarded as one of the best VPNs for people with multiple devices in their household. It's easy to use and offers unlimited device connections with a single plan. That's a huge win for families or anyone who has a lot of devices. However, while IPVanish has a solid reputation for security and speed, there are some complaints about its inconsistent performance in certain regions, and it has a history of logging data, although they've changed their policy over time. It's a little more hit or miss when it comes to privacy than Proton VPN, but the unlimited devices factor is hard to beat. The third thing, let's talk about ease of use. Proton VPN has a more streamlined interface, especially for beginners. It's very user-friendly and doesn't overwhelm you with too many options. However, IPVanish shines here, too, especially with its intuitive app design. It's straightforward, and whether you're on a desktop or mobile, it's simple to get set up. But if you're looking for something that you can jump straight into without a learning curve, Proton might be a bit more appealing. Now, the fourth thing, speed and server availability. Proton VPN has a smaller server network compared to IPVanish. While Proton has servers in over 60 countries, IPVanish covers over 75 countries with a much more extensive network. This can be a game changer if you're looking for speed and reliability, especially if you're trying to access content from various parts of the world. That said, Proton's smaller network is highly optimized for security, which is great for privacy, but it doesn't always stack up when it comes to raw performance. Next thing, pricing. Proton VPN offers a free plan, which is rare and a nice bonus if you're on a budget. But if you want all the premium features, it's pricier than IPVanish. IPVanish doesn't offer a free plan, but is generally more affordable, especially when you're comparing long-term plans. It's a better option if you need multi-device support without breaking the bank. The last thing I'll touch on is streaming. Proton VPN isn't the best when it comes to unblocking streaming services. It works, but not as reliably as IPVanish, which excels in bypassing geo-blocked content on platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer. So if streaming is a top priority, IPVanish might be your better option. In conclusion, both Proton VPN and IPVanish have their merits. Proton VPN is a great choice for privacy and security-focused individuals, while IPVanish stands out for large households with multiple devices. But after trying both of them myself, if you want a VPN that balances speed, security, and multi-device use, there's an even better alternative. Check out the first link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available through our link. Trust me, it's the perfect solution if you're looking for the best of both worlds.